Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing a reliable power source and confirming basic hardware integrity. Use the original Bose charger or a 5V1A+ USB supply. Cheap adapters can mask faults. Inspect both the micro USB port and cable for lint, bent pins, or corrosion and clean gently with compressed air or a toothpick wrapped in tape. Once done, perform a soft reset by holding the power button for 10 seconds and watch the LED for any change. This rules out simple firmware hangs. Next, narrow the fault by swapping in a verified good cable and charger. If charging begins, the cable or adapter was the culprit. If not, measure voltage at the micro USB contacts using a digital multimeter. You should see about 5 volts when plugged in. While charging, feel the unit for abnormal warmth. Excessive heat or a bulging case suggests a swollen battery. If you detect no input voltage at the port, internal board or connector damage is likely and requires further repair. For the final steps, choose the correct repair path. If the port is damaged but the battery is fine, replace the micro USB connector or reflow its solder joints. This restores charging continuity. If the battery is swollen or does not accept charge, replace it with an OEM-style pack, observing ESD precautions and proper polarity. Once repaired, perform a boot reset and charge cycle to confirm. Troubleshooting tip: if charging still fails, double-check solder joints and connectors with magnification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.